Let's look at one of the fascinating use case of streamlining marketing. Upon learning the basic functionality of running programs in Jupyter Notebooks, let's discuss this problem faced by the marketing department of a company. This department is facing a situation where they need to select some individuals from a customer base. This marketing department needs to figure out who and how many of the customers needs to be selected to be participating in a promotion. The marketing department also has to find out the best communication channel, like newspaper, etc., that these customers shall be more receptive to, in order to ensure increased sales and for their product success. The marketing department also faces a budget problem and needs to have a better understanding about spending their dollar. With a limited budget, they're supposed to promote selected financial products to their customers. This notebook lies under one of my projects as a use case. This particular use case will give us visualizations and a structured understanding of our data. We are provided with two data sets. Number one is the data set of individuals or customers whose behavior is known. Think of them as old customers. And then data set of individuals or customers whose behavior is unknown. Think of them as new customers. Under this use case, we combine predictive and prescriptive analytics. I'm using these Jupyter notebooks to demonstrate classification of customers, predicting their behavior, forecasting demand. This use case study is a fairy tale bank in year 2018 that follows the merger in 2019 under a budgeted campaign, and the bank wants to contact their customers for marketing. Our problem statement is to design a solution for the marketing department in order to better understand how they should contact or propose a product, how they should be contacting the customers, and what are the best ways or optimal use of their limited budgets in order to make the profit. Now, I have divided this problem into separate parts. To begin, we'll go through the following steps. We'll train the machine learning project based on classifier to profile a customer. A customer who would subscribe to a mortgage savings or a pension account. This is basically profiling on basis of behavior. We will now apply predictive model to a new customer who cannot be profiled because of lack of data. In order to predict for each new customer, we will understand their buying behavior. We'll check out the 2018 customers, provide some visual analysis of the historical data, do a scatter plotting for savings, mortgage, and pension, understand the 2018 customer, see that the customer's income is greater, more likely they're buying out a savings account. We train a model to predict customer behavior, prepare data and select features to be used. Now, these variables, they play an important role. We have to find a correlation for building a model among these variables. And we can also do feature engineering using these variables. Now we'll create and train one simple model for each product. As I mentioned, we will apply a predictive model to a new customer whose profile cannot be created because of lack of data. So this is predicting the new customer behavior. We are just plotting The cloud points for offers, savings, mortgage, or pension. The training data contains customers who bought more than one product. Take a look at the prediction. So this is just the shopping behavior. Now, in the third step, we will apply a decision optimization model to offer a product. Our goal shall be to select a customer and the best channel to contact them. This is decision optimization C++ modeling for Python. This is setting up prescriptive model, do cplex.mp model. These models are defined so we can even find their definitions, adding constraints, expressing our objective using a for loop, setting up key performance indices to be used for reporting, solving the decision optimization model. Finally, we will display our analysis as solution. In the solution, in the output, we see that a customer we chose has a customer ID as 11 and we are offering him a savings product as a gift. Likewise, we chose 46 other personals. We're also able to run what if analysis, that is, if determining the value of budget threshold. For a large data, the maximum number of customers is 1677. Those can be reached, and anything over $35,546 would not be able to spend. The corresponding revenue number for the original data set is $87,120. As you see in this notebook, using machine learning, we have predicted some customer behaviors, and using decision optimization, we have prescribed the next best actions. This is the power of AI.